Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create a footer like this in WordPress using Elementor. So here in this footer you can see that we have a 4 section. On the left side we have a logo and description and different social media icons, and then at the second we have this office address, and then in the third column we have link to different pages, and then on the fourth one we have this newsletter section with this email input. So now let's start creating this. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for further updates. So now let's start creating this. So first of all, what I will do, I will again go to the dashboard, and here you can see I have installed this Element Kit plugin, which will give us flexibility to add a footer in our theme. So first of all, what I will do, whenever you will hover over this Element Kit, you will find a header footer option. So click on that header footer option. Once you will click on that header footer option, this is the first time I am opening it, so that's why it is there is a survey form it is coming. So you can easily clicking on this next step, and you can skip all these settings. After that, under this Element Kit you will get this header footer. So click on that header footer, and then now you can see we have this header footer templates is here. So first of all, you have to click on this add new button. Once you will click on this add new button, here it is asking you a title. So let me give the title footer, because we are creating footer. After that, we have a type over here where either you can create a header or you can create a footer. So I am creating footer, so let me select the footer, and then condition, as we are using it a free version, so we have a choice of entire site only. After that, activate or deactivate. If you will make it activate, then it will start visible in our site, and if you don't want to see it, you can deactivate it also. So let me activate it, and then I will click on edit content. So once you will click on this edit content, it will load the Elementor page builder. So by using Elementor page builder, we are going to design this entire footer. So let me show you how you can design this entire footer using this Elementor. As you can see that we have 4 number of columns here. So now here you can see we have a 4 number of columns. So what I will do here in my Elementor page builder, again I will click on this plus icon, and I am going to take a single section with 4 columns. Alright, so now let's start with the section setting. So first of all, we have a different background color over here, so we have to create that one. So what I will do now, let's go here, and here in this style tab I'm going to select this background type as classic, and here let me give the color code which we want to use. This one is 222731. After that, we need to add some padding top and bottom. So first of all, for that, let's again go to the advanced tab, and here in this advanced tab I want to give it a top 100 pixel, and same for the bottom also. I want to give a 100 pixel of bottom padding, and towards left and right I want to give it a 30 pixel of right and 30 pixel of left padding. Alright, so now we have got the structure of our footer. Now what we need to add, we need to start adding all our contents over here. So how we can do that one? So first of all, here you can see we have our logo. So basically our logo is an image. So here I will search for image, and then I will drag it to the first column like this, and then now we can choose the image. So let's quickly choose our logo. So let me quickly upload our logo over here, and then I can click on this insert media to insert the logo. Alright, so now our logo is also inserted. So what I can do over here, image size, let me make it full, and then here if you will notice, like if you want to link this logo to your website, like here, if whenever I am clicking on it, my website is getting refreshed. So how we can do that one? So for that, again you will get this link option, so you can select custom URL, and then from this custom URL you will get this dynamic tags. So here in this dynamic tag, just make sure you have selected the site URL and then click on update. So now let's check whether it is working or not. So I will go to my view page where and whenever I am clicking on it, so here you can see it is redirecting me to my website. Alright, so now let's we need to do some settings for it, like we need to adjust the width of it. So what I will do, again I will make the width percentage to 100, and then max width I will select this pixel and I will give it a 160 pixel of max width. And then as you can see, like I need this logo should be left aligned. How we can do that one? For that, again I will go to this content tab, and here alignment I will select left align. After that we have a few, you can see like a paragraph over here. So let's start adding this paragraph. So for this paragraph, again I will go to this widget section of Elementor, and here I will search for this text editor, and then now you can replace the text if you want over here. After that directly you can, if you want, you can replace it like this. And then now if you want to change the style of it, as I have already covered the text color and typography, so you can change the text color and typography from here if you want to change the typography or text color. Then let's go to the advanced tab, and I want to add some 28 pixel of top margin. Alright, after that after this paragraph we have this social media icon. So how we can get those social media icons? Again we have to go to this widget section, and here you have to search for social. Whenever you will search for social, you will get a social icons option. You can use any of them. So I am using this social icons. After that you can select any of it, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and if you want to add some more, suppose if you want to add this Telegram also, you can click on insert, and this is coming. After that here if you will if you want to change the icon, you can change it. If you want some other Facebook icon, you can select that one, and then under that icon you will get a link where you can give your social media links over here. Like if you want to give a Facebook link, or if you want to give your Twitter link, or if you want to give your YouTube link, you can give it over here. Next, after that I don't want to make the step to rounded, I want to make it square. And then now let's make the alignment to left align. Alright, so now let's go to the style tab and change the color of it. Suppose here you can see like we have a color of official color. I want a custom color. So what I will do, primary color I will make it transparent, and the secondary color I will give it a white color of secondary color. Then we can select the size of this. So let me give it a 17 pixel of size to it. After that we have a spacing over here, so you can set a spacing. So let me set a spacing of 35, or you can also reduce it to 30 also. It completely depends on you how much space you want to add. And then we have we can add a border and everything, but I don't need. So here when you will notice, whenever we are hovering over it, we are getting this yellow color. So how we can add that one? So I just want to add this in icon hover. So primary color, no need to give anything. In secondary color you can choose any of this yellow color, and then here you can see whenever I am hovering over it, it is coming the same. After that you can see like hover animation. If you want to give anything, let me give it a shrink, and you can see whenever I am hovering over these icons, it is getting shrink. So in this way you can set your icons over here. Alright, after that now let's go to next column, which is our addresses and all. So as you can see, like for this we have again this office over here. So that is nothing but a heading. So we can directly drag a heading over here, and I can change this text to office, and then you can go to the style tab, and whatever color, text color and typography you want to add, you can add it over there. Suppose I am not going it specifically, because you know how to add these everything. So I am going to the main thing which I am showing over here is how to build this actually. Again we have designed this text. So what I can do, I can copy it, and I can right click and paste it over here, and instead of this lorem ipsum text I can use my office address, so I can replace the entire text over here. And then after this we have again a email input, like here you can see we have this email option over here. So what I will do, again I will go here and I will search for a button. You can use a button over here as an email input, and then here text you can select. So suppose I want to give it info at the rate whatever your email will be and .com. So here I have given my info email, and then you can set it like whatever email you want to give, like suppose here I have given it custom link contact URL. So someone, if you will notice, whenever I will click on this info at the rate email.com, it will open my mail to here. If you will notice over here on the left side corner, it is coming mail to info at the rate email.com. So in this way you can set it as like contact URL, and type of the URL will be email, so that whatever email you want to give. So here I want to give info at the rate email.com, and if you can also give it a predefined subject and message, so that if someone will click on this email, their email, like suppose their Gmail will open, and you can give a subject and message over here. So if you will type like this is regarding your website, and then whatever message if you want to give, then whenever someone will click on it, it will directly type this subject and message over there. So now let's start customizing it. So how we can customize it? So again for that we have to go to this style tab, and then here I am not going to use anything like text color. I want to make it white, and then background color I just want to make it transparent, and then I don't need any border radius, or I don't need any padding, that's why I've removed it. And as you can see here, whenever we are hovering over it, it is we are getting different colors. So we have a hover option over here. So from this hover option you can change whatever text color you want to add. Suppose if you want to add this yellow color, you can add it over here. After that I just want to add some padding, so for that I will go to this advanced tab, and here what I will do, I will give it a margin top of 3 pixel, and then let me click on update to it. Alright, so after that now you can see we have got our button also. After the button, next is our links. So as we can already created this office as a heading, so I can use this, I can copy this office heading and I can paste it over here, and I can easily change the title to link. After that as we have already created this button, so there are two methods how you can create these links, or probably let me show you. So here you can search for icon list, and you can use your icon list over here. So the only thing which you have to do, suppose we don't need any icon. Suppose I want to add a about page, so I will give it a about, and here we don't have about page I think. So what I will do, I will type here home, and then let me give the text to home only. So here you can see I have given the link and my text also. In the same way, number of links you want to give, you can give it over here. After that what you have to do, you have to go to your style option, and then here you can change your whatever you want. Like suppose here text, you want to make the text color to white, and then on hover you want to change the color to yellow. So or whatever color you want to make, you can select it, and then if you want to set your typography, you can set it over here. Suppose font family if you want to change, or font size you want to give, let me give it a 1 em of font size, and then font weight I want to give it 700, and then line height I want to give it 2.5, or I can reduce it to 2.2 also. And then if we don't need any text add or anything, so if you will notice we have actually I just want to reduce it to 600 so that it will look more accurate. Okay, so we have created this what we call this link section. Now let's move towards this other one, which is our newsletter. So for this also again I will copy this heading and paste it over here, and instead of this link I want to change the heading to newsletter. So we got newsletter, let me type it here, and then we got the heading newsletter, and then again we have the get the latest updates and offers. So we can use the same paragraph text which we have used earlier. I will paste it and I will replace the text here, like get the latest offers and updates and offers. After that, if you will see, we have to create this email. So how we can do that one? So as we have option over here, as whenever you will search for form, you will get a by default form over here. You can easily drag that form, and we don't need any name or message or anything. We need a email only. Input size, I want to make the input size to medium, and then here in this email I just only the type will be email, and then label will be email, it is required. And then in advance, if you want to set anything like default value, or if you want to give any ID, you can give it over here. So let me remove this label because I don't want to get this label. As you can see, we don't have any label, that's why I don't want, so I have removed that one. And then here if you will see, if you have a label option, you can directly hide it from here also. And then if you want to set a required mark, so if you will enable the label, then you can set the required mark also. After that, we have the button setting. So here in this button column width, I want to give it a 20%, and it should be justified. And then next step buttons, you can get it like next, previous, submit should be send. After that submit, let me remove this send because we have a icon over here, right? So I can select a icon from icon library. So you can select, let me select for paper plane, so this one, and I will click on insert to it. So whenever you will click on insert, you got, like here you can see we got this. And then after this icon, we have to go to, we can set the icon position should be before, and then icon spacing, all right. And then we have this action after submit, no need to do anything, collect submission email. So this one is the email where you want to receive. And then these, if you want to set the step setting, you can do it over here. Now let's directly dive into the style part. So first of all, here in the column gap, I just want to give it a default, and row gap also I want to give it default. And then spacing, spacing should be 0, no problem with it. And then here we have, you can change the text color, and then you can also change the spacing or typography. So it is for the label, it is not required, so because we don't have any label. And then we don't have any HTML field, so let's directly go to our field. And here background color should be white and everything. So border width, so border radius I need to add. So what I will do, I will top and left, so let me give it a border 50, left also 50. Here you can see towards the left, we like on the left side we need this circular, that's why I have given this border radius only on top and left. After that we have a button over here, so we can directly go to this button, and here you can change all the colors and typography. So typography no need to change. So here what I want to change, like background color of the button, you can change it, so you can keep any of the other color you want. And then suppose if you want to let me give it any other color like this. And then text color is fine. And then if you want to change the color on hover, you can change it like this. Suppose let me select it, okay. And then what I will do, whenever I am hovering over it, you can see like it is changing the color. And then I need this one should be to the circular, so here also I will give it a border radius to it. So let me close the border radius, and here what I will do, I will give it 50 pixel border radius to right and 50 pixel border radius to bottom. And here you can see I got the circular one also. Text padding, I don't need any text padding, alright. So messages, and after that here messages and steps, no need to do anything with this. So now if you will notice, we need to organize these things. Like if you will see, our first column is little bit bigger, so how we can do these things? So let's go to this column setting, and I want to make the first column to 33% of width. In the same way, for the second column I just want to make it 23 percentile, and for the third column I just want to make it 16 percentage, and then this is what for the newsletter I want to get this. Okay, now I need this to be should be in one. So what I will do, I will go to this email option over here, and then here in this we don't have any label or anything. Let's go to this button and try to reduce it, make it default. Okay, so I just want to make it 20 percentile. So what I can do over here, so here in this field which we have created, email column width, I can set it to 80 percentile, because we have, if you will notice, we have given the column width of button to 20 percentile, so that it will together make it 100 percentile, and it will now make it proper. So alright, now after that what I need to do, let's check whether it is fine or not. So here you can see like it is fine, but I need more. I can add here, I can add a right margin to it. Suppose I want to give it a 25 towards the right of, let me make, sorry, 25 pixel of left margin I want to add it. In the same way, if you want to add some of this margin to this one also, like if you want, you can adjust it according to you. Suppose I want to give it a 15 left and 8 pixel of right margin. In the same way, for this office one also, I want to give it a 15 pixel of left margin and a 8 pixel of right margin. And then for this first column also, I want to give it a towards left, I want to give it 15, or I don't need any I will give it 15 pixel of right margin only. So you can completely, you can change, or you whatever margin or padding you want to give, it completely depends on you. So with this you can see we have completed this footer section, and now let's verify it whether it is visible on our site or not. So whenever you can see, I am refreshing my page, and here we are getting this entire footer in our website. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.